cơ gì lì lúa có bu mua lu bèn sư đó uốn đua yêu có sư gió mua kê khi lo tơ chú ý gió mua lương chi mua cho lo bi thọ sợ đỡ chỉ lu chỉ hà là chỉ thơ theo chỉ lu sợ đỡ theo lý nhỏ cả sợ lu công tế chỉ ba tiền lòng luôn để tê yêu mua ia ô có xa hoa.
Hey, welcome everyone. We're at day one, session one of workshops. So come on, let's go check it out.
Lo tơ chú ý do mua lương gì mua cho lo bi
Session 2, day 1, a very fan favorite of all attendees is the Hmong language for dummies. This is probably a class I should be in too. So, come on in, come on. What do you expect to get out of your whole experience here at the conference?
Networking, you know, and learning more about a broad idea of things I'm going to as a career in general.
So what's a good message of leadership you want to send out to the youth?
I think that if you can't do anything at all, the best thing that you can do is network. And make sure you use those networks as well though. Don't just go and collect business cards, but actually go get to know people, see what kind of resources they can offer you. And I think building network will really help and guide you in regardless of where you want to go in life.
Địa thế chân phao địa thế giờ đi mong đành đợi yêu mua hứa chi cho lâu cho lúa cho mua cho lúa là sao kê mua kê lúa rễ vì cho kế hoa cho hoa thọ cứ tìm mong này bùa do nhỏ cả thò
mong lưu ni nhỏ trong đun đi mong từ bóng đau lưu không mua đưa muôn gió tu đây bên nia thiệt
lời muôn dư luôn có nhớ khó từ tua còn đủ cho lo nơi dung chuyện dư lưu tham bồ
Friday night, H&D, follow me. David Ying's opened up a show for H&D. It's gonna be one amazing night. So many beautiful artists here tonight for H&D. There's nowhere else to be at tonight. H&D, this is how H&D does it. Bring the biggest and the most awesome artists all here in St. Paul, Minnesota. Let's go check David out. Come on.
Can't get enough, I'm asking for some more. Bet Kusata go like that. Kusata.
So when you do your music, where does inspiration come from? When I do music, inspiration usually comes from myself. You know, self-motivation, just being somebody who loves the art of making music, and just coming from experience myself and experiences from people around me, and I just love to compact all of those into making music. So that's where my motivation and my drive comes from.
yêu tiếc cũng không có hay tiếc buồn mùi hin hú vào nhau kia ui ngờ nhớ hồi lúc chỉ có buồn chạy đi có hay thâu cho lương thơ chia của tôi cóใจ